And good job, yes. Good job. How to clear all these beautiful things off the dash. Oh no. So we've got engine management light, traction control, I-stop, and we've got smart city brake support, forward malfunction, and million other faults. Let's go and have a look. In there. Warning. Voila! There we go. Look at that. How nice and colorful, like Christmas. So, in today's episode, I'll show you how to solve this problem by what is changing knees. Look at this, look at this. Huh?
Nice.
Yes, this is very good sensor, very nice, very good. You put this and everything work, yeah? Yeah, you put this and all Christmas lights disappear, yeah? If you want to know how it actually works and how to clear all these beautiful things off the dash, well, carry on watching. Don't stop. Okay, so the sensor we're going to be changing is this one there, right here. This one there, not this one, because this one has two pipes, this one has only one. So there is a bracket underneath. We need to take the bracket off, we need to take the sensor, there is a clip underneath, so we need to remove that and see how the new bracket is going to look like. The sensor I've just removed looks like this. Now swapping the old bracket for a new one. So the bracket is fitted, like you can see here. So obviously this hole is for the clip and the two bolts there are for the other bracket, and the sensor goes in the middle. Okay, first you need to cut the pipe, but obviously in order to cut the pipe you need to know how far you need to cut. So I know more or less how far I need to cut. And this cut will be when the pipe is sticking out through here, cut it level with the bracket. So when you take the bracket off, you're going to slide the sensor all the way down and it will be nice and flush with the bracket. Then you can put the top cap on. First, initially you need to put the bracket on to measure how far you need to cut the pipe. Like I said, put the bracket on, fit the sensor, measure more or less how far you need to cut. Yeah, I've cut my pipe, I fitted the sensor, put the clip on. Now you can fit the bracket on. It goes underneath the loom, underneath the sensor, like this. There we go. Yeah, so bolt down here to secure the bracket. Now use your snips to cut off the old we want the wiring loom on the side. We can always grab that with a, to be fair, we can throw this away and put normal zip tie around. Now you fit this bracket over, like that. There. Yeah. Then in the kit you will be given these two nuts. So one nut on one side and the other one. This wire is actually very necessary. Do you know why? Because this plug fits on there perfectly, the original plug, yeah, original harness, without this extension, yeah. The original plug fits on the sensor perfectly, but the wiring is wrong way. So the red wire on the original plug ends up on the right hand side, and when you add the extension, the red wire goes on the left. Same with yellow and green. So if you're not going to include the extension, the car will not run. You will shift to first gear, then you will start moving forwards, backwards, jerking, and the engine just not going to run smooth, and you will run actually very loud. So if you're gonna go to Mazda and you're gonna get the wire, make sure you get the whole kit. You get everything in there. It's like what, 69 quid I think I paid. There you go, 69 quid. So that's the sensor, that's the that is the part number. Obviously that's 2.2 diesel. So yeah. Right, let's clear the engine management light on, and I will call that as a job done. Okay, so I've cleared the faults. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Sound as a pound. So, like I said, make sure you use the cable extension, because that is pretty important, as you can see. And yep, that's it. I've cleared the faults. I couldn't see what the faults are, but I'm guessing it was for the old sensor, because as soon as I've cleared, everything cleared, so should be fine now.
And good job.
And good job, yes. Good job.
I am mechanic.
You a mechanic?
Yeah.
Of course you are, like Daddy.